How to Overcome Poverty, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about a powerful topic, how to overcome poverty and create a better future. Whether you're struggling financially, looking for ways to increase your income, or just want to improve your financial stability, this video is for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any valuable content. Step 1. Change your mindset. Poverty is not just about money. It's also about mindset and habits. Replace a scarcity mindset with an abundance mindset. Believe that you can change your financial situation. Surround yourself with people who motivate and inspire you, not those who bring you down. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. Step 2. Build your skills. Lack of skills equals low income. Learn high-income skills like digital marketing, programming, graphic design, sales and negotiation, video editing. Use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy to learn. Step 3. Take control of your finances. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Start budgeting. Use apps like Mint or NAV. Avoid unnecessary debt, especially credit card debt with high interest. Save at least 10 to 20% of your income, no matter how little. Step 4. Start a side hustle. Don't rely on one income source. Side hustles to consider: freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, selling product online, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogging, investing in stocks or crypto long-term, not gambling. Step 5. Network and find mentors. Your network equals your net worth. Find mentors and role models who have achieved financial success. Join online groups, attend local business meetups, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Step 6. Be consistent and never give up. Success takes time. There are no overnight results. Keep learning, adjusting, and taking action every day. Stay patient and stay hungry. Conclusion and call to action. Overcoming poverty is a journey, but you can do it with the right mindset and actions. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments.